So in this slide design, we're going to learn how to create this simple flyer using our smartphone. It's just like a speed flyer and it's also like a church flyer also. So I've been in a series of creating church flyers for some past few days, and I just decided to like add some creativity into this and then show you guys how you can be to do this. So the first thing right now, just import our generated background. I'll just use image from gallery. This is the image right now. You can see it's kind of have like a timestamp on it, like all this timestamp. You can see it, so I think this is much okay. So I'm just going to import the model right now. So this is the church, this is the pastor, because this pastor was actually different. Let me just import real pastor image. This is the real pastor image, and I'm going to set it to like make it to be like an F1 clothes, like the pastor is actually wearing an F1 clothes because of the design. So it's just something to bring in creativity. So you can see I just change the clothes AI, and then I can just like raise this up. So it's just like Instagram flyer. So we need to make sure element enters. So I was using the brighten tool to brighten the face of the pastor, and then I think I will just increase the crop radius. Now this is the eraser. So it's going to be like this. As you can see right now, we can just put the text. So I'll just create a brush tool. I cannot select on it. So this is the color code. So we can use this. Just look it. So let me put the church background. Sorry, I made the church logo. Maybe the church logo. This must have not this kind of password. I think you can know about this church that today. Like I just combined every element I used online. So it's very creative. So let me just save this project. I'll save it as the 79. So let me save it again. Let me open it. So I'm just going to put name of the pastor. So I'll do something like pastor design with AA. I'll use this. Then I use the headlines font. And I reduce this text. I save the changes now, and then I can just create another rectangle. So I can make this go. And I can now make this white. So I can now change it to be red. And I made all of them. There's a lot of colors going on. So I think there's a mistake. I don't think I need to merge all of them. Just need to put them in position. So I'll just adjust this. So I can now merge all of this. And I'm going to write speed. So let me check for a very nice font we are going to use. I think we will use this because it has a speed text. So I'll leave this I will leave this font in the decision box. So use your inner shadow to give it this color. and then you carry your shadow to the same color. You just position it to the center, as you can see now. So I'm sorry I did not show you guys the color. Let me just go back. Shadow. This is the color code. FFD 505. So this is it. I'll just save my changes. Align this pastel again. So I'll now write something like operating in the realms of divine acceleration. So I'll do the padding. And then I bring this down a bit. So this is where the information are. I'll just use the color filter to select what I want. So I kind of like need the color to be a bit dull because the yellow and the purple, they are just shining very well. So I think this will be good. So I just kind of adjusted it. So let me bring the speed on this one. Okay, so I can see the changes again. So if you want it to be a long flyer, you can allow it to be a long flyer. But because I actually generated it and it's actually on a mobile flyer design, that's why I'm doing this. Because the shape is supposed to be longer. So I'll just write in Sunday. I'll just use it 17th. That is in March 2026. So let's use white. So if you discover what Pixel Lab just did to us, you discover that I just scattered this design. So if it happens like that, just click on recover to save because sometimes it happens with this kind of version of Pixel Lab. That's why it's very good to be saving your project every time. So he has taken us back. I'll just need to save the project again. So let me just write in the 79. So you don't need to get frustrated. This is the kind of pixel app sometimes I use mod, right? So I'll just save the changes in case of anything how to happen next. I think I need to reduce this. So I think the layer one service. First service is around 8 o'clock AM to 10:30. So like I said before in my video, I love creative designs like this that can be able to tell you what the flyer is for, even without looking at the main text. So right now you cannot put in the full detail of the location. So I think I'll just use any this thing. Let me just say 45 square root behind YouTube search button, anything I want to write. Design with EA, something like this. Okay, I think this is 5. So I'll just save the changes as you can see right now. So I think this is really good. So let me just copy this, select the positioning. Yeah. Let me bring the speed down. I cannot save the changes, guys. So I think we're actually done with this slide design. So if you need anything from this video, make sure you hit that subscribe button, like the video and share this video, because I'm going to drop more tutorials on this channel where I teach you ways in which you can really like improve your skills. So if you need resources of this design, like I said, it's down in the description box. And also don't forget to join my Telegram channel. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Stay safe.